Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create your own Telegram AI agent slash bot that can read receipts like these. Okay, so for example, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a picture of this receipt right here. All right, so I'm going to do this as we go right here. Okay, so this is not the perfect really angle, but just show you that how well it works. So I'm just going to take the receipt, take a picture. Okay, so now I have a picture of this receipt right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Telegram. Okay, I'm gonna go to Telegram. I'll attach the invoice, and I'm gonna send it to the Telegram bot, which is connected to this workflow right here. And what it's gonna do is gonna analyze the receipt, and it's gonna give me a breakdown of everything, and then log everything to a spreadsheet. Okay, so if you want to send it to your accountant at the end of the year for business expense, whatever. But this is what we got. So invoice processed successfully. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. So the date is the 12th. Let me see. That's correct. The date is 12th. A restaurant or merchant name, a restaurant Leville. Yeah, that's almost there because, well, it's in French, so I don't blame the AI. Let's see the amounts. So the amount is $22.45. That is correct, guys. So the amount is indeed $23.45, exactly like right here. Is it food? It is food. And payment platform POS, that is correct. And then it gives you a confidence level in terms of like how precise the AI thinks it is. So 95% it matches. The only mistake it did was with the name of the restaurant because it's in French. So I get it. And I kind of took the picture from my hand. Ideally, you're going to place it on a flat surface and take a picture. So this way it's going to be very, very clear to AI guys. Okay. So if you want to learn how to build something like this, including the credential guide, meaning that I will tell you how to create an actual bot in Telegram and how to connect that to n8n. And I will provide this entire free Google Doc for you guys, which is a reference in terms of how to create a bot in Telegram and how to connect that to n8n. There's a couple of technical aspects, but I'll guide you through everything from A to Z, so don't worry about it. And also, I will provide this entire workflow or JSON template for free as well, guys. So there's going to be two links, the Google Doc, actually three links, guys, okay? First one's going to be the n8n template workflow. Second one's going to be Google Doc with the reference for creating the bot and everything, and the spreadsheet where everything gets logged by the agent, guys. So 3 freebies, guys. Make sure to check out the comment section or the description section. There's going to be these links. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and dive into the workflow right away, and let me explain you first how to create the Telegram bot and how to do the rest, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to your Telegram. If not, download Telegram from the App Store, guys. So once you are on the Telegram, you're gonna go to the main chats tab, and then you're gonna click on new chat, which is basically like a little pencil looking thingy inside a square on the right corner side. Click on it, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for something called BotFather. Okay, so make sure that you select the first with the blue check mark. Okay, because there's a lot of them, and what happens if you click the wrong one, there's a lot of scams. They're gonna basically ask you for money to create the bot, which is not the case. It's 100% free. So make sure you select this one here. That is with the handle at BotFather. That's the only one, guys, you should be using. Don't use any other ones listed there. Okay, so once you click on it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna do basically you're gonna start the flow. So it's gonna be a what is it? It's like the line, what do you call it? It's a dash, forward dash, whatever it's called, forward dash start. Okay, and then the flow is going to start, and it's going to tell you all the options it can do. So the one we are looking for is the one that is called new bot. Okay, so the new bot is the function that will create the bot for you. So make sure that you do that. So slash forward slash whatever new bot. Okay, and then it's going to ask you to name it. So do that, name it whatever you want. It's really up to you. Okay, and then it's gonna say done, congratulations on your new bot. If you're seeing that message, everything went good. If not, it's gonna tell you what's the error message or what needs to be fixed. So don't worry about it, it's handled by Telegram. And then it's gonna give you something called a access token or token to access the HTTP API. Okay, so this is the important part. It's gonna be like a long string with numbers and letters. So copy only that part, okay, and send that to yourself as a email, okay? So send that string to yourself because we will need that in a second, okay? So once you have that number, send an email, have it by your side. So now open the workflow that you just downloaded, and let's start with opening the first Telegram trigger, okay? So here it says credentials to connect with, create new credential, okay? And this is where it says access token. This is where you exactly copy paste that long number and alphanumeric, whatever string that you just brought from the Telegram to your email, copy paste that in here and click save. If it's success, it's gonna say connected, or it's gonna give you like a green badge saying it's success. Everything is good. If not, you did something wrong, okay? If you run into any issues, let me know in the comment what's the error, and I'm gonna help you out, okay, guys? Don't worry. So that's step number one. Once you did that, make sure to go back and save the flow. Super important, guys, okay? So that's step number one, guys. So now we need to also add something called chat ID. Otherwise, you won't be able to communicate directly with the n8n workflow, right? So to do that, guys, click on any of these ones. So for example, as an example, we'll just click on this one, send no image message or whatever. Okay, so what we need to fill in is the chat ID. Okay, so this is the one we want. So if you go to the free Google Doc I just shared, okay, it's gonna be step number 4. Okay, get your chat ID. So here you have this URL. Okay, so copy this URL into your URL handle right here. Okay, with a slight modification. Okay, so we can see the curly braces with bot token. Okay, so essentially delete this entire thing. And again, go to your email and copy that long string of numbers and letters, which is your access token. Okay, and copy paste it right after the word bot. Okay, so if you look at my screen, it will be something like here. So this is your string like this. Okay, and then you bring your HTTP URL like this. Okay, to here and copy paste that in here, but don't hit enter yet. Okay, you need to first activate your workflow or your Telegram bot. So if you go back to Telegram, okay, the BotFather gave you a link to access your bot. Okay, so go to Telegram, find the conversation I had with the BotFather. Okay, and you're gonna have basically a link where it says "Dan, congratulations on your bot." You will find it at, and there's a link. So click on the link, and you're gonna open the chat with your bot. So before anything, what you're gonna do, send anything. Okay, send any, like hi or 123. We need to do that to activate the to activate the bot in the Telegram. So send that. Okay, and once done, go back to n8n and make sure that the workflow is active. If it's not, it's gonna fail. So two things: the workflow in n8n has to be active, and you have to send a message to your bot that you just created in Telegram, whatever 123 hi hello, to activate the bot or the flow. Otherwise, the API request will fail. And then go back to the browser where you copy pasted the URL with your token, and then hit enter, and you're gonna see something like this, guys. Okay, you should see something like this in your browser, but it's gonna be a single line, not like this. And you're gonna look for chat ID. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. You're looking for chat ID in the URL after you hit enter. So the chat ID, you're just gonna copy the number. Okay, so that is your chat ID. And then you bring it back to Telegram and copy paste it in here. Okay, and then make sure you save it. All right, and you're gonna repeat the same thing for the send success message node right here. It's the same thing, chat ID, copy paste that in there. And the same thing for the error message, just in case, just chat ID. So everywhere where you use the Telegram node, there's gonna be chat ID. So make sure to copy paste your chat ID in there, guys. Okay, super important. And once you do, go back to n8n and make sure to save everything, guys. Okay, so at this point, everything should be connected as it is. All right, so I want to make sure that you downloaded the spreadsheet as well. And to make it work, you need to go to your Gmail account, and then you're gonna go to your spreadsheets. Okay, so go to your Gmail, then go to your Drive. Okay, actually to your Drive. and just basically drop that spreadsheet in here. Okay, just drop the spreadsheet in here, and it's gonna upload. Then go back to n8n, all right, and then open the spreadsheet node right here, this one here. Okay, click on it and make sure that you select it from the list. So before you're gonna see it here, you need to authenticate your Gmail account as well. So to do that, here's the credential to connect with. Click on it, then create new credential. And all you're gonna do, just sign in with Gmail, select your Gmail account, and it's gonna do everything for you. It's gonna be good to go. And if you did that correctly, and if you can see the success message that it was connected, now go back to the document input here and click on the drop down menu, guys. You should be able to see that spreadsheet. In my case, I don't see it because it looks like it's the wrong account. So let me just select my account right here like this. And now it should be available. There you guys. You can see it's available from my list because I connected that to my Gmail account. So that should be the same case for you guys. Okay, once you do that, click on save and you should be good to go at this point, guys. So now do a test, grab any invoice, take a picture, bring it to Telegram and send it to your agent right here. Make sure that the flow is enabled, otherwise it's gonna crash. And yeah, guys, after 5 or 10 seconds, you should be able to get the response from the agent with all the breakdown summary for the receipts, guys. And you should see also that being logged in the spreadsheet right here, guys. Okay, so if you're seeing that, congratulations, you just built your first Telegram AI agent slash bot in n8n, and you create your first bot in Telegram as well that can read uh, at this point images, PDFs, and receipts and log everything for you guys. Okay. So it's really useful for everybody, guys. If you're running a small business and you're like really, tired of collecting the invoices and losing them, so this is a really good solution. And again, guys, now that you learned how to create Telegram AI agents, you can do pretty much anything. You can create, generate, for example, AI assistants. You can create a workflow which is connected to n8n and Telegram, and it can handle your Gmail. It can handle your not Outlook, Google Calendar, all the Google products for you, right? So, for example, you can chat with the Telegram agent, say, "Hey, can you send an email to John?" Or what emails I received today, or you can make it automatically that every time you receive an email, it's gonna notify you. It will be able to draft responses or even send them directly to the client or to whoever, right? Then create events in Google Calendar if you have meetings, guys. And really, options are unlimited. So this is really base foundation for beginners. Now you know how to create Telegram AI agents and bots in n8n. So guys, congratulations, amazing job here. So if you run into any issues or getting any errors, let me know down in the comments what's the error message, and I'm gonna help you out, guys, personally. Okay, guys, don't worry about it at all. And if you do enjoy this content, I will ask you to like and subscribe and enable those notifications because you guys already know if you're following me, I always provide free JSON templates, Google Docs, and pretty much all the resources I use. I try to compile them for you, so everything is super easy for you guys. Okay, but if not, guys, as always, I'm gonna see you next time, and happy building.